Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making like somewhat of a Mississippi style roast, but I kind of wanted to make it a little bit different, like how I made my short ribs. So we're gonna try it that way. There's many ways you can make a roast, y'all. We just gonna try it a different way today because I'm kind of in a rush. As always, y'all know roasts take a long time, especially when you're doing it overnight, but we finna try to get this done in about 2.5–3 hours. Okay, before we get started, y'all, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Am I really that much handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really know you.
So what we have here, y'all, is our roast, and this is a rump roast, and I just chopped it up into little small pieces like this. Well, big chunks, but you know what I mean. So all I'm gonna do is season this with a little bit of salt. I like to use kosher salt, but I don't have no more right now, so we're just gonna use this salt. A little bit of black pepper and some onion powder. Okay, we're gonna season it some more once it get in the pan, but we just gonna sear it with this because we don't want to burn it. Like, we don't want to burn all the seasonings off. Okay, so we're just gonna go in with a little onion powder and a little bit of oil. Kind of just want to get this coated on there. Okay, y'all, so we just want to add some oil to the bottom of this and let it heat up. It's already hot, as you can tell, as you can see. We're going to get a nice sear. We're going to sear this for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Alright, so now we're just going to remove the meat. We're going to add our onions and vegetables. I don't have any celery today, so we're not using them. And our garlic as well. I'm going to season it, y'all, with some garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and some of this Kinder's. Yeah, we're gonna add a little bit of flour. And we're gonna cook this down. Y'all know we gotta cook off that raw flour, so just make sure there's no more white left. Okay. Okay, y'all, we're gonna add some tomato paste. These are just frozen. I'm going to add about 2 cups of red wine. Y'all, we're gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes until it reduced by half. Okay, until it looks like grape jelly. All right, so we're gonna add a little Worcestershire. Y'all could add a little soy sauce if y'all want to. I'm not though. Now we're gonna add our meat back in. Then we're gonna go ahead and add in about 32 ounces of beef broth. Get a nice little mix. Then I'm gonna add some of these pepperoncinis. I know this is a little different, but I'm adding some. And some of the juice. Y'all can put this in y'all oven on 375 for about 3.5 hours, but I'm gonna put it on my stovetop and do it for about 3 hours. We're gonna add rosemary and thyme and some bay leaves. If y'all end up needing more liquid, just put some water in it or some more beef broth. Okay, make sure y'all checking on it every 30 to 45 minutes or so. Alright, y'all, so this is how it came out. Last time I did go ahead and reduce the gravy, but I didn't do that this time. You can if you want to. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.